Welcome to Norgren Automation Solutions. My name is Dan Smith, and I want to show you our newest product, Transforming Tooling, which is about to be installed in a stamping press destacker. Transforming Tooling is an automated solution that provides a safe, more ergonomic work environment, reduces tool change time, and saves lifetime costs. Transforming Tooling is totally customizable. This customer's tool has 16 arms, 12 two-joint arms, and 4 three-joint arms. Transforming Tooling is made up of 3 major components: joints, links, and arms. A motorized locking joint connects to the custom link and is built based on your system's needs. The number of joints is specific to each application. The two-joint arm is best for simple range motion, while the three-joint arm moves around the two-joint to provide additional support and reach locations the two-joint arm can't. Around these joints are sensor arms with built-in material measurement sensors which move where needed for each job. You may be wondering why you would want Transforming Tooling. The short answer is increasing your capacity and profitability. Here's some examples from our customers. One supplier proposed adding capacity to 2 shifts per month on a 2,500-ton press. Due to the reduction in tooling changeover and adjustments, the savings is in excess of $192,000 a year. Another manufacturer built their business case on eliminated future tooling costs, in excess of $650,000 over 3 years, along with maintenance savings. In short, Transforming Tooling will free up your capital with immediate payback. The future is now. Contact one of our experts directly at 1-800-272-4511 or at NAS Inside Sales at imi-precisions.com.